Okay, so it's day one of the, I guess, 4.0 lockdown in Madhya Pradesh, and it's so silent. Perfect time for me to, film this video. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. First of all, there are so many new joinees. I welcome each and every one of you to this community. I don't know why it feels like a college speech, but then I'm really very happy to welcome you guys to this channel. Also, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I got myself a ring light. Yes, finally. By the time I get free, it gets pretty dark outside, and also these days it's so gloomy, and most of the times I have to film my video post 5 p.m. so I thought let's invest this time. So that's why probably you can see that reflection in my eyes, but I'll try my best not to use it while giving you guys lip swatches or showing you any makeup product. So today's video is going to be about a haul video. Recently I got to purchase Recently I got to purchase few products from Miniso, from Max, and also from FBB, and I thought I'll show you guys what all I got and my mini reviews on it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. So let's get started. So last weekend was my sister's 21st birthday, and we basically went out to shop for her. So she's pursuing her studies in Kerala and I am pursuing my studies in Bangalore, but this time by God's grace we got to celebrate her birthday together. I think it was after three years. Yes, so it was kind of a big deal. So we went and shopped for her a little, and I'm going to show you guys what all we've got. So the first thing that I have here with me is this gorgeous sling bag. It has got this animal embodied print over here and a strap which can be adjustable just like a usual sling bag. So the best part about this bag is that it's neutral basic color. It will go with almost everything. It's such a versatile piece in your wardrobe, to run errands or also to pair up with casual outfits. It has got this buckle right here which makes it look even more fancy. So when we open it, we'll see that it doesn't have a zip here, but the design is so closely put together, intact, that there's no chance of things dropping. It has got a good amount of space to keep your wallet, to keep your mobile, money, lipstick. So yeah, this is actually a must-have in every girl's wardrobe. I guess we got it for 1000 rupees, which is actually worth it to invest in such good pieces, which is of really good quality. You guys can see बहुत ही प्यारा क्वालिटी का है. I would also encourage you guys to invest in good bags because quality is always better than quantity. Next up, what we've got for her is this beautiful bellies right here. It has got a suede material and also it's nude in color. So if you wear nude closed toe footwear, it kind of elongates your whole look. It gives an impression of longer legs. So the feel is really very comfortable. So that's all we got from Max. Now moving on, I've got this beautiful hoops. Yeah, as you guys can see, it has got a thick design. They look so luxurious, guys. They look so beautiful. I got them from FBB for around, I guess, 230 rupees, and the quality is really good. I always wanted to get these statement jewelry from Shein, but apparently you know the story. I got a similar piece, classic hoop earrings. It can definitely go with a lot of outfits. Just through a basic t-shirt and these hoops and your denim, you are good to go. You can slay any look. I really love this one, and I see myself wearing this a lot, so definitely a great purchase. I got this from FBB. So next up, I have few products from Miniso Japan, and I'm really very excited to show you guys. The first one is this gorgeous nail color that I'm wearing today. It's a beautiful shade. It's in the shade matte gray. So even though it's gray, but it has also got a tint of lavender, blue lavender kind of color. I don't know how to explain this, but it's a gorgeous everyday shade. It's available on Amazon. I recently checked, so you guys also get it from there. Beautiful high-end color, I feel. Miniso has got a good collection of nail colors, guys. This is my second purchase from there. So it really is chip resistant and lasts really very long. I guess this is the 4th day. So the first 2 days the application will be really very very matte, but after 2 days it will start getting glossy. But I really don't mind that because both ways it looks perfect. Again, a very gorgeous shade. It retails 9 ml for 90 rupees. A kind of good deal because the payoff is really very good, and this color is really not that easily available in markets, so I really love this one. So next I've got these everyday makeup brushes from Miniso. These are for 150 rupees, which is surely a good deal. This one is for blush. I had a blush brush yes, but I use that for my face because it has got a broad, a very thick bristles, but this one is absolutely perfect for my cheeks. It really is meant for it, I guess. And then this one is to apply your lipstick evenly. This one is for your lips, so it helps to line your lips and also these areas where sometimes we struggle and the lipstick gets here and we mess up the whole look. So this one is for that. This one is for your eyes. I did few experiments with it, which I'll probably show you guys. This is my try, so please don't be mad at me. This one is for your eyebrows, and this one probably I think for your eyes. I don't think so I would be using these two brushes, so I'm gonna give this to one of my friends who's really passionate about makeup. So yeah, with that being said, those were the brushes from Miniso. So yep, that's actually a good deal because I'm looking forward to use them very often, and you get 5 brushes for 150. Also quality wise it's great. Okay, so next up I have this pocket perfume from Joy Portable Perfume. This one is called Under the Pear Tree. Till 8th standard, French was my secondary language. This is the only time I'm making use of my French classes. As you guys can see, so it's a very small bottle. You can throw it in your bag, it won't take much room, and it's also very travel friendly, very good quality. So it's made up of glass bottle. So coming to the fragrance, it smells like vanilla. It's a very mature fragrance. Yeah, it smells like vanilla and also has got some, what is it, fruit ki flower. Yeah, so as we were talking, this has got a fragrance of vanilla kinda mask and also some fruity fragrance. I'm so bad at explaining this. Fragrance is really very high-end. I'm somebody who's really very sensitive to light, very sensitive to fragrance. Like my head starts aching. This one is a mild, I wouldn't say mild, but it is kind of mild to strong ke beach wala case. The packaging is so gorgeous. So the bottom is kind of green in color. It retails for I guess 200 rupees and you get 10 ml of it. So next up I have this cute earphones from Miniso. It has got an imprint of polar bear. Such a beautiful color, guys. Look at this color. Blue, pastel blue kind of color, and also it comes with a holder, so it's really very convenient for you to use it. So it is really very cute, attractive designing, and it's really very convenient to store, and the material is very smooth. I guess it's silicone, and we've got this for one of our friends and she's gonna love it for sure. So Miniso is a great place to buy cute, attractive, good quality things for gift purposes. So yep, that's what it is about. Next up I have this cosmetic bag. The brand is Miniso Life, and it has got good storage space. I'll be able to store so many of my products in here. It is travel friendly and whatnot. I actually had one travel cosmetic bag, but it's in Bangalore and I don't see myself visiting Bangalore anytime soon. So I had to get one to keep my products in here, and very good purchase. For retail for 150 rupees. The finishing is so good, guys, and I really like the fact that there's nothing, no graphics or nothing written here. I don't like t-shirts or things with graphics, something written, a quote or anything. So I really prefer simple classic things. This one is a great buy. So next up I have this compressed tissue. I already had this. This one is from Miniso. It retails for 150 rupees and you get 30 sheets. So basically these are compressed tissue. When you put them in water, it kind of expands itself to a face mask, and the material is cloth material. So this is what it is meant to be used for. So as you guys can see, it comes with the bowls. So you have to put the essence into the bowl, whatever liquid you want to put into your face as a form of mask, you can add it, you can add rose water, you can add aloe vera gel or lemon juice or whatnot, and you have to, you know, dip the mask inside it, wait till it expands, and you can keep it in your face for about 10 to 20 minutes, and then you can gently remove it. This is what it is basically meant for, but I like to use this to clean my shoes, the ones which have like suede material. It's really very easy to remove all the dirt, so I like to keep 2 to 3 compressed tissues in my bag whenever I'm traveling, whenever I feel the need to clean. This is what I use, and for 150 rupees you get 30 packets of it. Though also the box that it came with is really very helpful. I can keep so many things inside it, like my hairpins, my safety pins, so I'm gonna use this box for that. Next up I have this razor. So this one is really very similar to the Venus wala razor, and really does the job well. So when you apply water, the gel activates, and it's really very easy for you to, you know, smoothly remove all the hair. Although I feel that if you use a shaving cream or a soap, it makes the process much easier. The blades are pretty sharp, and I accidentally cut myself, so be careful about it. So we got 2 razors for 250 rupees, which I guess is a good deal. One for me and one for my sister. Also the packaging is really very beautiful. So after I used this, I felt that my skin was kind of itchy, maybe because my hands are pretty dry, or maybe because my skin is really very sensitive. But after the shave, I applied some moisturizer and it was absolutely fine. I guess these are also available on Amazon. Alright guys, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. So thank you so much for all the positivity, guys. I love reading your feedbacks, I love reading your comments, so let me know how it was, and I hope I was clear about my reviews. Let me know which one was your favorite product. Mine has to be the sling bag and the nail paint. Looking forward to see you guys next Monday. Till then, take care. Bye.